So some students like to put a whole bunch of text onto the screen for everybody to read. But once you start reading it, we're not going to want to listen and we're not going to read what's on the screen because it's quite boring. So here's what we're asking you to do. Copy this, add it to the speaker notes. If you want to change the font on here, change the font to something that you can see a little better. And when you're presenting, you can bring your Chromebook up and move it this way so you can see all of your notes here and you can look at your notes while you're looking at the audience. So do not put a bunch of notes in here. What should you put in here? What you should put in here is pictures or bullet points. Get our attention with what you want to tell us about. Obviously related to your topic, not just any old pictures, but something related to your topic. And maybe you could have the actual, like for this one, I would put the actual theme in here or have it show up on the next slide once you start talking about it. There, a minute long.